Yeah, I like to do things one take. I had a subscriber ask me about those green eggs. They said, yo, those eggs are rotten. I said, no, they're not rotten. It's just that the Americana, also known as the Easter egger, has laid green eggs, which I love, by the way, because green is my favorite color. So with green being my favorite color and that Americana laying green eggs, it's just fitting for me. It's pretty cool. Growing acreage. Backyard farming and gardening. Backyard gardening and raising a few hens to try to reach the pinnacle of owning a farm with the Barnadium. Some other things that I would like to have added, but I don't want to discuss those until I'm able to make it possible. Discuss the way that life is, talk about it. At least when I talk about it, someone is always trying to get in on my ideas. So here, I told him that I was going to cook up these 2 green eggs for him, just to let him know that they're not rotten. Get all that yolk out. I'm going to show you another process that I'm going to do with my egg as well. I'm sorry, I don't have the skills like most who can crack with one hand. I'm not that good. I'm pretty good, but not that good. Even got some shell inside of it. Yikes. Oh well, my girls will do me good. Hot. These eggs are rich in beta carotene, lower in cholesterol, lower in fat. And beta carotene turns into vitamin A. It also consumes vitamin D, vitamin E, high in omega-3s. Just like your eggs that you'll get from the store, but just because I give them a certain feed, it is a little bit better. See how high that eye has gotten? I'm actually probably getting ready to mess up my egg. Oh yeah, too hot, too fast. You can see that heat coming off the stove. Instantly cooked. I love these backyard eggs. Love them, I love them, I love them. Taking so much time. Yes, Mel? Taking so much time making these eggs. I was looking for some seasoning to add to them, but no seasoning. It's gonna add a little bit of salt, some iodized table salt. Be more of you. Be more of you. So we said those are scrambled. It's right there on the table, Mimo.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Delicious.
You just gonna eat egg?
Yeah, I'm actually making a video right now because someone was saying that they was asking if these was rotten, the green eggs, and I was informing them that they're still nutritious and very tasty.
Yeah.
So I ate them. I'm eating them without even plating them. I wanted to put green onion on these, some scallions from out of the yard, but I didn't cut them up. It's 4:20 Eastern time on the day that I posted this, because I'm getting ready to post it now. And this is the first time I ate all day. I intermittent fast. Trying to get my muscles right. Right? I thank you for tuning in and watching me on Growing Acreage. For being here with me. My traps. Trying to get them a little bit big. Get the fat off my chest and off my stomach. Very tasty. While I have your attention, I'm gonna go over to the sink and rinse these out. I would take you with me, but the sink is dirty. I have to get that clean. But I just don't want to leave you here. Give me a second. This is the part that I did not want to show you, the dirty sink. So what we're doing, we're rinsing out the eggshells, and I'm going to sit these on the paper towel for them to dry. That is going to supplement the hens again for feed. So it's going to dry on the paper on here after I just wash them out. And the next time I feed them, probably I'll get 6 more eggs and I'll crush it up and I'll put it in their feed.